Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, good morning, viewer. KGRO. I'm here today. I'm about to do a radiator flush. I'm gonna bring you guys along how to do this job. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Support your boy. It takes one to know one, it takes two to tango. All I'm asking is support me. I will really appreciate that. I'm gonna tell you the things we need to do this job. It's fairly easy. It's just like a pee. But first, you have to make sure the vehicle is jacked up, and you put a jack stand on it. Safety is not compromised. Safety is always first. You want to make sure you go home to your family after you're finished working. I'm going to show you what we're going to be using and what we have to do this job. KG will be right back. So if you look down here, you see everything is Presto. Make sure you have two of this antifreeze, and this is the guy we're going to be using to do the job. The reason for that, I'm going to show you in a bit. When you look down here, anytime you see the reservoir, you can see how dirty it is. Very dirty. So that's the reason why we're doing that. I mean, look at the cover. You know, I don't know if somebody put water on it before. Always be mindful, never use water in your radiator. Even if the radiator is leaking, you might just use water. It's just going to be a temporary thing, but as soon as you fix the car, make sure you drain out the water, because those things, they will mess up your car. And fail to mention, make sure the car is cool also before you do this job, so you don't get yourself burned. You see, you can look down here, see the way the water looks. So we're gonna clean it out. So the first thing we're gonna do, I jack up the car already. I'm gonna go underneath and drain the radiator. Then we'll be using the water hose to flush it. Then we're gonna put that, and we're gonna make this guy run for maybe like an hour or two, you know, to clean out the whole system. Then we'll wash it out again. Then we'll recycle it one more time, and then we'll put the antifreeze. So let me go underneath there and drain the antifreeze. Yes, you can see I just drained the antifreeze. Apparently it's no more antifreeze, so it's basically water now. See the way it looks? That's the way it looks. So we're gonna make the video snappy. So I'm gonna be using this water hose here first. Just to see that? You see how dirty is that, right? See that bubbling there? You guys can see. Yeah. So I just want to use that first before I put a cleaner. So let me shut the video down. So we're going to go ahead now and put this in here. So this helps to, see, clean and flush the radiator, the coolant channel, all of that, the heater, cord, hose. So this guy do a lot of stuff. So we're gonna put it in, then we're gonna put some water, then we're gonna start the car, we're gonna let it idle for a good while. Like I said, you have to make sure you have time, because you gotta let it settle. Then after a while, we'll drain out the thing. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put this guy in here. I want you guys to see what I'm doing as well. Make sure you put back the radiator plug when you clean it. And you cut these hose as well. So So I'm gonna put some water in, fill it up, then we're gonna start the car. Let it idle for like probably like about 2 hours or so. So I'll just go ahead and put some water in here. So we'll start it and let it cook. It's gonna be cooking like you know, like when you're washing your clothes, right? You know how you wash your clothes? Put the soap in there and there. The machine will be washing for 45 minutes, whatnot. So it's the same thing. So make sure you put water in your radiator now. Don't go say, KG didn't tell me that, blow up your engine. Don't just put that and leave that alone. Put water in your radiator. Everything's gonna be cooking, circling, all the good stuff. Okay? So if you let it cook for at least an hour and a half, it should be good. Alright, so we got the radiator there. Everything looks nice, so we'll go ahead and tank it. I'm not gonna put a cap here. It's cooking now. So we're gonna go ahead and put some more little water in here like that. Alright, so that's good enough. So I'm seeing you on the other side when that bottle looks shiny. We'll be back. Alright, as you can see the water coming out of there now. Coming out of the engine. Look at it right there. Keep your eyes right here. Right here. See the water coming out of there now. It's clean. See? Clean water coming out of there. And look down here in the radiator as well. See the radiator water there? See that? See the water coming out of there? Clean. So we are good to go now. So we're gonna go ahead and put the antifreeze now. This one is for all vehicles. So you can use it. You can use a 50-50 as well. Is it green? Circle it and look down on this bottle right here. I'll show you. That guy's really clean now. Look down here. Remember before? See? So that is nice and clean. It's really bad. But now we're good. So, alright, so after you put the antifreeze, make sure you start the car. Let it idle for a while and make sure the fan comes in. Once the fan comes in and everything looks good, top it up and make sure there's no bubbling over here. And the radiator is quiet and top of that guy. And that's pretty much it. So it looks quiet now. Top off, everything is good. Good. This car should be ready again for another 100,000 miles. Uh-oh, I dropped that. Alright, so I'll see you on my next video. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe also, give the video a thumbs up. I will see you next time. KG signing up. Peace, love you all. One, I am done.